Hi guys, we're just at Magella Doyle's Sports Injury Clinic in Ballyline in County Laois. Just want to show you recent installation using infrared heaters. So there's one panel over our head, and you can see it looks quite well. And inside in here, recently doing up her space here, and she chose to go with infrared, so you can see the panel on the ceiling here. This is our 950 watt panel, so it costs around maybe 15 cents to run, and we have another panel over here. So slim, fitted directly to the ceiling. Down here then we have the thermostat controller. So currently nice and snug in the room, 24 degrees. Remote control to adjust the temperature. So overall, look, very happy client. Went for infrared because they're easy to install, no maintenance, and the quality of heat. So infrared is good for the human body. Even though we're at 24 degrees in the room, it's a lovely gentle heat in the space. So look, overall a happy customer. For more information, check out our website, helvetic.ie. Thanks for watching.